Hey guys, welcome to Nature Love. I hope you will be fine. Today I will share some information about Camellia flower. Camellia is a genus of flowering plant in the family of Theaceae. The genus is native to Eastern and Southern Asia, including China, Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. Camellia are known for their beautiful and showy flowers, which come in a variety of colors, including shade of red, pink, white, and even yellow. Here are some key features and information about camellia flowers. Camellia flowers are generally large and have a symmetrical shape with several layers of petals. The petals can be single, semi-double, or double, depending on the cultivar. Camellias are most commonly associated with shades of pink and red. However, there are also white, cream, and even yellow varieties available. Some cultivar may have contrasting colors or patterns on their petals. The blooming season for camellias varies depending on the species and cultivar. Generally, they bloom from late winter to early spring, but some varieties may flower as early as fall or as late as early summer. While not all camellia flowers are fragrant, some varieties do have a pleasant scent. The fragrance can range from light and subtle to strong and intoxicating. Camellias are often associated with love, affection, and admiration. In some cultures, they are also symbol of purity, beauty, and longevity. Camellias are popular ornamental plants and are grown in gardens and parks worldwide. They prefer well-drained, acidic soil and partial shade. Although some varieties can tolerate full sun, proper care and maintenance, including regular watering and pouring, can help ensure healthy growth and abundant flowering. There are many different species and cultivars of camellia available, each with its unique characteristics. Some popular cultivars include Camellia japonica, Camellia sesonqua, and Camellia reticulata. Camellias have been cultivated for centuries and are highly prized for their beauty. They are often used in floral arrangements, gardens, and as cut flowers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.